These DIY room decor ideas are so aesthetic, affordable, and easy to recreate. If you want your room to feel cozy, trendy, and Pinterest-inspired in 2026, these ideas are perfect. Today, we're creating 15 aesthetic DIY room decor ideas that instantly make bedrooms feel more stylish, cozy, and personalized. Adding warm LED lighting around a mirror creates an instant luxury aesthetic. A simple decorative tray can completely elevate your nightstand or desk. Greenery instantly makes rooms feel fresh, calming, and aesthetic. A photo wall adds personality and creates a cozy, creative vibe. This dreamy cloud light setup looks amazing at night. Layering bedding is one of the easiest ways to make a room feel expensive. Minimal floating shelves create a clean aesthetic without taking up space. Fairy lights make any room feel soft, cozy, and relaxing. Textured art pieces are trending everywhere in modern room decor. Storage can still look beautiful when you style it correctly. Soft bedside lighting creates the perfect nighttime atmosphere. A tiny vanity area instantly upgrades the room aesthetic. Natural textures are one of the biggest room decor trends in 2026. A clean aesthetic desk setup makes the room feel more productive and stylish. All these small DIY ideas together completely transform the room. This room now feels cozy, relaxing, and beautifully personalized. Which DIY decor idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more aesthetic room inspiration and DIY home decor ideas.